Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to exit Candy Crush Saga on your device. If you are playing Candy Crush Saga and you'd like to exit the level, then first of all, open the game that you are playing. Make sure that you are inside this gameplay for Candy Crush Saga. And then if you want to exit from the game without crossing the level, all you need to do is to tap on the gear button at the bottom. Now click on quit level, and then if you press on the quit level button once again to confirm, you will lose a life. Simply tap on quit level and this will help you exit from the game. If you press the quit button while playing the game, you will lose a life and then the mission will be failed as well. You can then retry the level anytime you want. So that is how you can easily force quit or exit Candy Crush Saga in just a couple of steps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorial tips and tricks for Candy Crush Saga. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.